Want a garden that feels like a peaceful retreat? A place where you can relax, unwind, and escape the stress of daily life. The right flowers can transform your backyard into a calming oasis. Today, we'll explore 10 stunning flowers that will add beauty, fragrance, and tranquility to your garden. Let's get started. Wisteria is a breathtaking flowering vine that drapes itself in cascading clusters of purple or white blossoms. This plant is perfect for creating a dreamy, romantic atmosphere in your garden. It thrives on pergolas, trellises, and arbors, forming a natural canopy that provides shade and beauty at the same time. One of the most striking features of wisteria is its scent. Its sweet and intoxicating fragrance fills the air, making it a perfect addition to a relaxing space. The sight of wisteria gently swaying in the breeze can make any garden feel like a hidden paradise. Wisteria prefers full sun and well-drained soil. While it requires patience, as it may take a few years to bloom, once it does, it will reward you with spectacular flowers year after year. Just be sure to keep it well pruned, as it can grow quite aggressively if left unchecked. Chamomile is widely known for its calming properties in tea, but it's also a fantastic plant for creating a serene garden. With its delicate, daisy-like white flowers and bright yellow centers, chamomile adds a touch of charm and simplicity to any space. The gentle fragrance of chamomile is soothing and promotes relaxation, making it a great choice for planting near seating areas or walkways. Just brushing against the plant releases its signature scent, helping to ease stress and anxiety naturally. Chamomile is a low-maintenance plant that thrives in well-drained soil and full to partial sun. It self-seeds easily, ensuring that you'll have a steady supply of this calming herb year after year. Plus, it attracts beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, enhancing the natural beauty of your garden. If you're looking for a flower that embodies elegance and romance, Bleeding Heart is a perfect choice. This shade-loving perennial produces delicate heart-shaped pink and white flowers that dangle gracefully from arching stems. The soft, almost ethereal look of Bleeding Heart makes it an excellent addition to any relaxation garden. It pairs well with ferns and other woodland plants, creating a lush, tranquil environment. Watching its flowers sway gently in the breeze adds a sense of movement and peace to your outdoor space. Bleeding Heart thrives in well-drained, moist soil and prefers partial to full shade. Once established, it requires little maintenance and comes back year after year. Just be mindful that the plant goes dormant in summer, so consider pairing it with other plants that will continue the display. Foxglove is a stunning biennial flower that brings height and drama to any garden. With its tall spikes covered in bell-shaped blooms in shades of pink, purple, white, and yellow, it creates a magical, almost fairy tale-like atmosphere. Beyond its beauty, Foxglove is a favorite for hummingbirds and pollinators, filling your garden with the soft hum of nature. Its vertical growth makes it an excellent background plant for flower beds, adding structure and elegance to your garden's design. Foxglove thrives in partial shade, but can also tolerate full sun in cooler climates. It prefers rich, well-draining soil and requires occasional deadheading to prolong its bloom time. Just remember that all parts of the plant are toxic, so keep it away from pets and children. Jasmine is one of the most beloved fragrant flowers, often associated with relaxation and peace. Its star-shaped white or yellow blooms release a heavenly scent, especially in the evening, making it perfect for a calming night garden. This climbing plant looks beautiful when draped over fences, walls, or trellises, adding a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. Its lush green foliage, combined with its intoxicating scent, makes it a must-have for creating a serene backyard escape. Jasmine loves warm climates and thrives in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. If you live in a cooler region, consider growing it in a pot so you can bring it indoors during winter. With the right care, Jasmine will reward you with endless waves of fragrant flowers. Lily of the Valley is a delicate yet powerful flower, known for its tiny white, bell-shaped blooms and sweet fragrance. Often associated with purity and renewal, this flower can bring an air of serenity to any garden. Its low-growing, lush green foliage forms a dense carpet, making it a perfect ground cover for shady areas. The contrast between the deep green leaves and the pristine white flowers creates a peaceful, almost mystical appearance. Lily of the Valley is easy to grow and spreads naturally over time, creating a lush, fragrant haven. However, it can be invasive, so it's best planted in contained areas or where you don't mind it spreading. Peonies are adored for their large, ruffled blooms and luxurious fragrance. Their lush petals come in various shades of pink, white, red, and even yellow, making them a timeless favorite in any garden. Not only are peonies visually stunning, but they also symbolize romance, prosperity, and good fortune. When in full bloom, they create a breathtaking display that enhances the tranquility of any outdoor space. Peonies thrive in well-drained soil and full sun, requiring little maintenance once established. With the right care, these perennials can live for decades, becoming a cherished part of your garden for years to come. No relaxation garden is complete without lavender. Its fragrant purple spikes not only look stunning, but also provide a natural way to reduce stress and promote calmness. Lavender's scent is well known for its soothing properties and is often used in aromatherapy. Planting it near pathways or seating areas allows you to enjoy its relaxing aroma every time you walk by. This drought-tolerant plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Once established, it requires minimal care and can even repel mosquitoes and other pests, making your outdoor space even more enjoyable. Bluebells create a stunning sea of blue-purple flowers that bloom in early spring. Often found in woodland settings, they bring a natural and enchanting charm to any garden. Their nodding, bell-shaped flowers create a whimsical and serene feel, especially when planted in large clusters. They also attract bees and butterflies, enhancing the peaceful harmony of your garden. Bluebells prefer partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Once planted, they multiply easily, creating a breathtaking display that returns year after year. Gardenia is known for its pure white blooms and rich, intoxicating fragrance. It brings an air of sophistication and tranquility to any garden setting. The glossy green leaves contrast beautifully with the creamy flowers, making it a standout plant for pathways, patios, or entryways. Its scent alone can transform your garden into a peaceful retreat. Gardenia prefers warm climates and well-drained acidic soil. With proper care, this evergreen shrub will continue to bloom and fill your garden with its enchanting aroma. And there you have it, 10 stunning flowers that will transform your garden into a peaceful oasis. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. See you next time.